Here we have a Sony WH-1000XM4 pair of headphones. I'm going to show you how to replace the ear pads on these. Here's a small pry tool. If you purchase a pair of replacement ear pads with us, this tool is provided to help you replace the ear pads. So you want to gently insert it between the ear pad and the ear cup and pry upward. There are small plastic clips that clip into the ear cup, so you have to unclip those. And once a couple are loosened, you can pull the rest up. And here's what it looks like when the ear pads are removed. There's a piece of foam underneath, which can be removed. You can buy a pair of replacement ear pads from us at centralsound.co. It also includes the foam piece. So first you install the foam piece. There's a cutout for the sensor. You want to make sure to align that so the sensor is visible. Next you want to make sure you align the clips in post to the ear cup. And also there's a hole for the sensor which needs to line up as well. And then once it's in position and in place, you can lay it flat and apply pressure to snap the clips in. So you just want to go around all the way and apply pressure. Make sure they're all clipped in and it's secure. And that's what our replacement looks like compared to the original ones. Once again, you can buy a pair of these replacement ear pads at centralsound.co. You can use promo code BEATS10 at checkout for a discount.